Chilling tales for dark nights.
Zaida, Zaida, shut up. Could you be quiet? I'm trying to concentrate.
Hi. Listen. What?
Oh no, it's a storm. Debora is not going to come in a storm like this.
No looking too good for you, is it that?
No, Debora. That's what I can stand living in the middle of nowhere. Oh no. Oh, it's Debora. Hello, Daniela. How are you? Glad you made it. I don't know if you would come with a storm like this.
The storm? This little shower? You wouldn't think much of this if you'd ever been in Bombay during the monsoon season.
Oh yes.
Oh, Debora, do you live in India a long time?
Oh yes. 21 years she's been gone. She started in the army with me.
Well, time flies, time flies.
Yes.
I would like to go to India, see the old temples. Maybe I can catch one of these holy men permanently.
But you're better here.
But you must have all kind of great history to tell.
Oh yes, she has a lot of history. What was the story you were telling me the other day about a monkey's paw or something like that?
Nothing really, nothing worth hearing.
About a monkey's paw?
Oh, it's just a bit of what you might call magic, I guess.
Magic!
Oh, but what's so special about it?
Oh, it looks like a ordinary little paw bright up.
Okay, it sounds good. Whoa. So, what's so special about it?
Oh, an old man put a spell on it because she wanted to explain that nobody can change their fate, but if they wanted to do it, they will have some consequence.
Well, what do you wish on it then?
Oh, I have.
Oh, but you granted your 3 wishes?
I don't remember, but the first owner had 3 wishes. I don't know what the first wishes were, but the last was his diet. That's how I got it.
Oh, but if you had your 3 wishes, that sounds no good for you then. So, what do you keep it for?
Some people think that it's a fairy tale, and others want to try it and then pay me.
If you could have another there wishes, will you use them?
Oh, I don't know. I don't know.
Hey!
But Berlin, throw it.
No, you don't want to keep to me.
I would throw it in a garbage. But if you want it, don't blame me for what happened.
Oh yes, but how do you do it? How do you wish with the monkey's paw?
Well, hold in your right hand and wish out loud. But I'm wearing it because you won't like the consequence.
Ah, yes, it's a wish.
Well, bye Daniela.
Bye.
See you soon.
It's quite a storytelling. I almost believe your I love it and give you a chance to be rich and famous or what to be.
Oh yes, but I don't know what to wish for.
Maybe you can be rich to travel.
Oh yes, but I think I have money to travel. But yes, I want to be rich. So I would wish monkey paw. I wish $1 million and an account of Netflix and Spotify Premium, please. What's wrong? What's wrong? On my head like a snake. Look.
Good morning, Mom.
So you eat breakfast?
Yes, I ate my breakfast.
Okay, so go work. See you.
See you, Mom.
Bye. time is it? What? So later. Why is not Zaida here? Oh, I want to text her. But she's not connected. But it's at night. What? No. So I should call her. Oh, it's so difficult, her number. Okay. The voice note. Okay. Zaida, come please. It's too later. I'm waiting you for the dinner. Okay. Who is this? Zaida? Who are you?
Hi, I was wanting to come see you. I come from my list.
The factory of my daughter?
Yes.
What happened?
I'm sorry, your daughters died.
Zaida? No. Zaida.
See,
No.
the company sends their condolence. I have to understand that I only do my job. My master has all responsibility, but in consideration of your daughter's work, we would you give you some compensation.
Compensation? I want my daughter.
The compensation is $1 million and one account of Spotify and Netflix.
$1 million, an account of Spotify and Netflix?
Yes.